Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 29 September 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And one thing, those who first visit the Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous question. Our first question was, who is appointed as brand ambassador of Seat Limited? Sonu Sood, Akshay Kumar, Amir Khan, option D, Barun Dhawan. The correct answer here is Bollywood actor option C, Amir Khan. Recently, a tire company Seat Limited has signed Indian actor Amir Khan as its brand ambassador for 2 years. Okay. Our second question was, which state has launched unified portal URISE? Uttar Pradesh, Goa, Bihar, option D, Assam. The correct answer here is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath launched a unified portal named URISE. Okay, it is for students by providing, it is helpful for the students by providing them practical and technical knowledge from online digital content. Okay, Uttar Pradesh is in news. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath, and Anandiben Patel is the governor of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when World Tourism Day is observed? 26 September, 27 September, 28 September, option D, 29 September. The correct answer here is 27 September. On 27 September, World Tourism Day is observed. Okay, this day was chosen by United Nations World Tourism Organization. It is observed by UNWTO, United Nations World Tourism Organization, UNWTO. Okay, and the theme of 2020 is Tourism and Rural Development. World Tourism Day 2020 theme is Tourism and Rural Development. Okay. Next question. Who has announced to pay positive pay system? SBI, PNB, RBI, option D, HDFC Bank. The correct answer here is the Reserve Bank of India. Option C is correct here. The Reserve Bank of India has announced that it will launch the positive pay system for check communication system on 1st January 2021. Okay, Reserve Bank of India is announced to going to be launched the positive pay system. Okay, RBI is in news. The headquarters of the Reserve Bank of India is situated in Mumbai. It is established in 1st April 1935. Firstly, the headquarters is Kolkata, but recently the headquarters of the RBI is situated in Mumbai. And the governor of Reserve Bank of India is Shaktikant Das. You can see the image of Shaktikant Das also here. Okay, and Shaktikant Das is the 25th number of governor of RBI. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has inaugurated the Destination Northeast 2020 festival? Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Sarbanand Sonowal, option D, Prakash Javadekar. The correct answer here is Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Recently, Union Home Minister Amit Shah has inaugurated the Destination Northeast 2020 festival. Okay, and the theme of the festival is the emerging delightful destination. The emerging delightful destination. You can see here the emerging delightful destination. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Women's National Selection Panel? Neetu David, Mithu Mukherjee, Renu Margaret, option D, Arati Vaidya. The correct answer here is Neetu David. Option A is correct here. The Neetu David, one of the finest women cricketer of India, has appointed by BCCI, Board of Cricket Council in India, as the chairman of 5-member Women's National Selection Panel. There are 5 members in the National Selection Panel, and Neetu David is the chairman here. And the other 4th person are, one is Mithu Mukherjee, another one is Renu Margaret, Arati Vaidya, and V. Kalpana. These 5 persons are in the selection panel and Neetu David is the chairman of this panel. You can see the image of Neetu David here. Okay. Next question. Mustafa Adif has announced his resignation as Prime Minister of which country? Denmark, Lebanon, Israel, option D Finland. The correct answer here is option B Lebanon. Recently, the Mustafa Adif has announced his resignation following his failure to form a new cabinet. He failure to form a new cabinet. So you can see the image of Mustafa Adif here. Recently resigned from the Prime Minister of Lebanon. Previously, the Prime Minister Hassan Dev government collapsed due to the Beirut blast in the Lebanon, the capital Beirut. A massive blast is occurred. So the Hassan Dev firstly resigned. After that, Mustafa Adif take the Prime Minister charge. But recently, due to the failure of the formation of the cabinet, Mustafa Adif also announced his resignation. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Question number 6. Who has won the Formula 1 Russian Grand Prix 2020? Valtteri Bottas, Max Verstappen, Lewis Hamilton, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Valtteri Bottas. Recently, option A, correct answer here is Valtteri Bottas. Valtteri Bottas is the Mercedes driver from Finland. Okay, has won the Formula 1 Russian Grand Prix 2020 at Sochi Autodrome, Russia. It is in Russia. Okay, and the second position is achieved by Max Verstappen and third rank is achieved by Lewis Hamilton. Okay, and the Formula 1 Russian Grand Prix won by Valtteri Bottas. You can see the image of Valtteri Bottas here. Okay. Next question. The biennial naval exercise GMAX 20 started between India and which country? Australia, Japan, Sri Lanka, option D Maldives. The correct answer here is Japan. Option B is correct here. And the 4th edition of biennial Japan-India maritime bilateral exercise. The abbreviation of the GMAX is Japan-India maritime bilateral exercise has started near the North Arabian Sea. It is started in the Arabian Sea. Remember, GMAX 20 is started in Arabian Sea and it is the bilateral exercise between India and Japan. Next question. Who is the brand ambassador of Entry, a local language learning app? Robin Uthappa, Virat Kohli, Suresh Raina, option D Hardik Pandya. The correct answer here is Robin Uthappa. Option A is correct here. Recently, Robin Uthappa has appointed as the brand ambassador of the Entry, a local language learning app in this IPL season. Okay. Next question. Who has launched a Bouquet of Flowers book? The name of the book is A Bouquet of Flowers. Who launched this? Dr. Krishna Saxena, option B Rajnath Singh, Chetan Bhagat, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Rajnath Singh. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. The Defense Minister recently Rajnath Singh has launched a book written by Dr. Krishna Saxena. This book, A Bouquet of Flowers, is written by Dr. Krishna Saxena. Okay, and launched by Rajnath Singh. Next question. Question number 10. Who is set to launch advanced bathroom to the International Space Station, ISS? International Space Station. NASA, ISRO, JAXA, option D none of these. The correct answer here is NASA. Option A is correct here. Recently, NASA is going to set off launch an advanced bathroom to the International Space Station. Okay, it is basically very crucial mission. NASA. Abbreviation is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The headquarters of the NASA is situated in Washington DC. In Washington DC, the headquarters is situated, and it is founded in 1st October 1958. 1st October 1958. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. This is our question of the day, and you have to answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Please try to answer more and more in comment section. Okay, our first question is, where will India's first Coast Guard Academy be established? Our second question is, who addressed 75th United Nations General Assembly meeting from India. Please try to answer more in comment section. Thereby a regular practice is done by you. It is very helpful for you if you answer in the comment section. A regular practice is done by you. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help. Okay, thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. And those who first visit educational wing, a humble request to them to please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Thank you. Have a great day.